Hey DIY enthusiasts! If you're looking to add a fresh floral touch to your look, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to decorate your hair with flowers. It's super easy, and the results are absolutely stunning. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, you'll need some fresh flowers. You can use daisies, roses, lavender, or any flower you like. Just make sure they're not too heavy. You'll also need some hairpins, a small comb, and maybe a bit of floral wire. Got everything? Awesome. Let's start with a simple flower crown. Take your floral wire and measure it around your head. Leave a bit extra so you can twist the ends together. Now, start adding flowers by wrapping the stems around the wire. Alternate the colors and types for a beautiful, eclectic look. Keep going until your crown is full. Twist the ends together, and voila! You've got a stunning flower crown. Next, let's try something a bit more subtle. Grab a small section of hair on one side of your head and braid it. Once you reach the end, secure it with a small elastic band. Now slide a few small flowers into the braid. You can use hairpins to secure them if needed. This look is perfect for a casual day out or a garden party. If you want to go a bit more intricate, try a floral updo. Start by pulling your hair into a high bun. Once it's secure, take small flowers and tuck them into the bun, spacing them evenly. You can use hairpins or a bit of floral wire to keep them in place. This style is elegant and perfect for weddings or special occasions. And here's a pro tip. If you're using fresh flowers, mist them with a bit of water to keep them looking fresh all day. Alternatively, you can use faux flowers for a longer-lasting look. There you have it. 3 beautiful ways to decorate your hair with flowers. Whether you're going for a whimsical flower crown, a delicate braided look, or an elegant updo, flowers can transform your hairstyle and add a touch of nature to your day. If you loved these ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY inspirations. And if you try any of these styles, I'd love to see your creations. Share your photos in the comments below or tag me on social media. Thanks for watching and happy hairstyling. Catch you in the next video.